To enable or disable using and diagnostic in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find privacy, and then tap privacy. Scroll down, select usage and diagnostic. To enable, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. If you use a shared device, other user profile may change settings. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.